So guys, I just got myself a new air fryer and unbox with me. I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm really just excited to get the air fryer. Sha. It's um it's an 8-liter air fryer from Syinix. So let's see. It says it can do African fries, chicken leg, blah blah blah. All these things are here. So here is the air fryer, intelligent electronic air fryer. Yeah, now let's open. Let me look for what am I gonna use to open this. So let's open this up. Um, right. What am I doing? Oh, it's not easy to do. Do I look like I give a fuck? Do I look like I give a fuck? Do I look like I give a fuck? I don't give a shot up at us. Do I look like I give a fuck? Do I look? Okay, so I have opened it. Let's see what's inside. Ouch. Oh, I should really stand the phone, right? So that it's be easy for me. Okay, let me take it back like this. Okay, now. No, it's not. Okay, let me take this to the back. Like this small. Like this. So, first opening. So, there is the instruction manual hair fryer. What is it? Instruction manual. Try read it later. Let me open it. So this is the plug in here. It's like I'm going to stop this video. I need my 2 hands. So let me stop the video so that I can use my 2 hands to open it. Then I will continue the video. So I've helped myself. This is it. Okay, they keep the plug here. We're going to just do this. So this foam they used to cover the top is off. Okay, so this is the air fryer inside. Come on, I need my 2 hands to bring out this air fryer. So this is it, just the air fryer inside here. This is the plug, the palette wrapped up, Syinix. So I guess these are the. You know what, guys? I need to bring this out. So when this is out and I test it, I am going to show you guys the first thing I make with it. Okay. Like, I don't know why I'm excited, like a kid that they just gave a new candy. Well, I guess this is a new candy for me. So my Syinix intelligent electronic air fryer is this is the first Syinix product I got, by the way. So this is the Swallow Maker. This one actually cooks, like it cooks and it's a pound, or be it's I don't even know what to say, but this is my Swallow Maker. So I use it to make my swallows and all that stuff. That also prompted me to get this air fryer because this Swallow Maker is so good, guys. I think of all the gadgets I've bought, this is my most used one. Of course, followed by this kettle. This kettle has suffered. This kettle is funny enough. Anyways, when I bring this out, I am going to do the video to show you guys, but I need to really use my 2 hands to bring it out. Yeah, that's it. So I've taken it out of the carton now, and this is the air fryer. Let's remove the nylon. And put it in one corner. So I think, okay, it can do, these are the stuffs that I don't know, maybe. Okay, I think this is just to guide you on the number of minutes you should set it for your stuff, Sha. Anyways, Sha, this is it. So let's unwrap. The sound of the churn is so sweet. It's reminding me of, when you were small, we'll be pressing those things that used to come with new stuff that you be pressing within I don't know the name. Bubble wraps. Yeah, that's the name. Bubble wraps. Reminding me of bubble wraps. Oh, why am I putting my camera? Oh, it's so sweet. It's so sweet. This is an experience. This is a sweet experience. Okay, are we opening? Oh, that's enough. Oh, yeah. Fully unboxed and unwrapped. Okay, see the plug. Plug, come here. All this nylon self. See the plug. They active. Yeah, all the nylons are off. This is the thingy. So can't remain how person won't open. Okay, I see why it's not opening. They put sellotape here to tape it. That means there will be sellotape here too. At the second side, let me see. Yeah, there's sellotape here too. So all we have to do is very simple. Just remove the sellotape. Sellotape will need oh strong. No one come out though. Come out now. More. This sellotape, we need this kind of sellotape to glue national grid. See as it's strong. No one come out. If we use this kind of sellotape, glue our national grid, you know, could they collapse every second. Yep. So sellotape 1 done. We need to remove the second sellotape so that we can open it up. They make them come national grid. Go and buy this sellotape and use it to hold our national grid. Make you know they collapse every second. So now we can open it. Come. This thing, I suppose I just need to use my two hands. So this one I'm using one of my hands to hold the phone now. I can do this. I got this. So did you guys see that? See, so this is the 8-liter pan. Let's see what's inside. My kitchen is, let me shift this one. Here, come. This is the Syinix senior brother. This is Syinix senior brother. This is Syinix junior brother. This is the firstborn, secondborn. Okay, so there's these tips cleaning inside. When it's used for the first time, please take out all package and do the cleaning, blah 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 blah. So that's just, they even put 2. They put 2 inside. They will not say you did not see it. So I think this is the and this stuff. It came. So yeah, this is all. This is the 8-liter bowl. And it has a glass door. This is the glass door. So yeah, this is everything. Let's take this back in. Then the tips paper they put 2. So this is everything basically, yeah. Everything basically. What else am I missing that I'm not showing you guys? That's all. That's all. It's actually quite large. You can actually like grill a whole full chicken in this, quite frankly, to be honest. Honestly, you can actually grill a full chicken with this bowl. It's actually very large. So where will it fit? Let's see. Should it stay beside this? Yeah. Jesus of Nazareth, I won't fall because of now. No say me, sha. So I'll be leaving this here. It cannot stay on top now. Anyways, sha, unboxing done. So bye bye everybody.